welcome back to my channel Always Learn Slowly. So today I'm going to tell you some effective ways to take down notes and more creative ways to make it look more attractive. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We can use white printing sheets to take down our notes or the ruled ones. Or we can use the drawing sheets which look like this, and it's one-sided ruled and one-sided plain for the diagrams. We can also use the A4 colored sheets which are easily available at any stationery shop and it's really affordable. Or we can use the regular register, and we can also use the spiral ones according to your convenience. Like I prefer the spiral registers more, but it's all up to you. So without wasting any time, let's move forward. So to make the notes, we would be requiring some highlighters or some brush pens or sketch pens. And I know that some of you would be thinking that the theories may not this highlighter part, but yeah, that's true. But when we are making our notes, self-made notes, then it should look a little attractive so we don't feel sleepy and bored when we open it, which we do feel when we open our books. So we have to make the difference. So it should look a little attractive and interesting also. And the main thing is that we have to make the notes in our language, not from the book's language. And I know that all of you, including me, just do the same, like we just read the topic from the books and copy it in the notes, and that's really wrong. We don't have to do that. Or what's the difference? We can study it from the books also, no need to make the notes. So we have to make the difference, and we have to make the notes in our language. Like notes is all about what we understood it from the topic or that particular chapter. So we don't have to copy paste it from the books. We have to make it ourselves in our language in points. Books are the detailed ones and notes are some points which have a lot details in it. So first things first, we have to read the chapter thoroughly, and without reading the chapter we cannot solve any of the questions related to it. And after reading the chapter, we have to write the introduction in our notes, like what is the chapter all about. So after writing the introduction to the chapter, we would take a particular topic, and considering that topic, we have to write the key points related to it, like what is the topic all about. We have to write it in the points, not in the paragraph. Or we can use a lot many things like flow charts, arrows, shapes, drawings to make our notes look attractive. After making the notes of one topic from a chapter, we can underline or highlight some difficult terms which are new to us and write their meaning in front of it. And we can use a lot many things to make our notes, like flow charts, points, paragraphs, diagrams, etc. Now let's see some creative ways to make our notes look attractive.